ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 17-23 ओम तत्सदिति निर्देशो। ओम तत्सदिति निर्देशो ब्रह्मणस्त्रिविधः स्मृतः। पदपाठ। ओम तत्सत् इति निर्देशः ब्रह्मणः त्रिविधः स्मृतः। ब्राह्मणास्तेन वेदाश्च यज्ञाश्च विहिताः पुरा। पदपाठ। ब्राह्मणाः तेन वेदाः च यज्ञाः च विहिताः पुरा. वाक्यांशः विश्लेषणम्. I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः, कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, विधेयाः, अव्ययानि, कृदन्ताः, तिङन्ताः. ओम तत्सत् इति त्रिविधः निर्देशः ब्रह्मणः स्मृतः. ब्राह्मणाः वेदाः च यज्ञाः च तेन पुरा विहिताः. वाक्यांशः 1a ओम तत्सत् इति is explanatory of the word त्रिविधः in 1b. अन्वयशः शब्दाभ्यासः. ओम तत्सत् इति ब्रह्मणः त्रिविधः निर्देशः स्मृतः. ओम तत्सत्. ओम च तत् च सत् च एतेषां समाहारः ओम तत्सत्. ओम indeclinable. The sacred syllable Om, uttered as a holy exclamation at the beginning and end of a reading of the Vedas or previous to the commencement of a prayer or sacred work. As a particle, it implies solemn affirmation and respectful assent. So be it, Amen. Assent or acceptance, yes, all right. Om iti उच्यताम् अमात्यः. ओम इति उक्तवतः अथ शार्ङ्गिणः इति. द्वितीयश्चेत् ओम इति ब्रूमः. Command, auspiciousness, removal or warding off. Brahman. This word first appears in the Upanishads as a mystic monosyllable and is regarded as the object of the most profound religious meditation. In the Mandukya Upanishad, it is said that this syllable is all what has been, that which is, and is to be. That all is Om, only Om. Literally analyzed, Om is taken to be made up of three letters or quarters. The letter A is Vaishvanara, the spirit of waking souls in the waking world. U is Tejas, the spirit of dreaming souls in the world of dreams. And Ma is Pradnya, the spirit of sleeping and undreaming souls. And the whole Om is said to be unknowable, unspeakable, into which the whole world passes away. Blessed about duality. For further account, see God's Upanishads. In later times, Om came to be used as a mystic name for the Hindu triad, representing the union of the three gods, A. Vishnu, U. Shiva, and Ma. Brahma. It is usually called Pranava or Ekaksharam. Akashe Vishnuruddhishta ukarastu Maheshwara. Makarena uchyate Brahma. Pranavena trayo mataha. Tat सर्वनाम. That नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम. Tad pronoun. A nominative singular saha masculine. Nominative singular sa feminine. Nominative singular tat neuter. That referring to something not present. Taditi parokshe vijanati vijaniyat. He, she, it, often as sort of yad. Yasya buddhir balam tasya. That is well known. Saramya Nagari Mahan Nripate Samant Chakram Chatur. This is from Bhartruhari 3.37. That, referring to something seen or experienced before. Anubhutartha Utkampini भय परिस्खलितांशुकांता ते लोचने प्रतिदिशम vidhure क्षिपन्ति. The same, identical, that, very, usually with eva. Tani indriyani sakalani tadeva namu. Sometimes the form of the tad are used with the first and second personal pronouns, as well as with demonstratives and relatives, for the sake of emphasis, often translatable by therefore, then. Sohamijja Vishuddhatma. I, that very person. Sahaham. I, therefore. I, who am so and so. Sattvam nivartasva vihaya lajjam. Thou, therefore, shouldst return. Sahatvam. When repeated, tad the sense of several, various. Teshu teshu sthaneshu. Tete bhava. Then the instrumental of tad is often used with adverbial force in the sense of therefore, on that account, in that case, for that reason. Te nahi. If so, well then. Good detail. And here, Noiter Tat, the Supreme Spirit of Brahman, Tadbhava Bhavi, Tadbuddhi, Sat, As Dhatoho Shatru Visheshanam Sat, Ata Napusakalingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Sat, adjective, Sati, feminine, being, existing, existent, Santasvatah Prakashante, Gudana Parato Nunam. Satkalpa Vrukshe Vane, real, essential, true, good, virtuous, chaste, Sati Sati Yoga Visishtradaya, noble, worthy, high, as in Satkulam, right, proper, best, excellent, venerable, respectable, wise, learned, handsome, beautiful, firm, steady, Sat, son, a good or virtuous man, a sage. Adanam hivasa visargaya satam vari muchamyo. Aviritam parakarya kritam satam madhurimati shayena vachomritam. Noiter, that which really exists, entity, existence, essence, the really existent truth, reality, good as in sadasat, Brahman or the Supreme Spirit, in Veda, water, the primary cause, Karana, ye ikshitaham rahitopyasat sato. Iti avyayam, iti indeclinable. This particle is most generally used to report the very words spoken or supported to be spoken by someone, as represented by quotation marks in English. The speech reported may be a single word used merely to express what the form of the word is. When it is used as it is, Shabdaswarupa Devatakaha, Pujantam Rama Rameti Madhuram Madhurakshan. This is from Ramaraksha. Good. Atayeva Gaviti, Aho, or a substantive, which must be put in the nominative case when its meaning is to be indicated. प्रतिपदिकार्थ द्योतकः चयस्त्विषामित्यवधारितं पुरा क्रमादमुं नारद इत्यबोधि सः अवैस्य चैनाम् अनघेति दिलीपः इति राजेन्दुः sometimes with accusative कैवर्तम् इति यं प्राहुः or a whole sentence when iti is merely used at the end of that sentence वाक्यार्थ न्यास्यसि कियद् भुजो मे रक्षति भौं विकिणाङ्कः इति तयोर्मुनिकुमारयोस्न्यतरः कथयति अक्षमालामुपयोजयितुम् आगतोऽस्मि iti. Besides the general sense, iti has the following senses. Oh, cause as expressed by because, since, on the ground that. In English, वैदेशिकोऽस्मि इति पृच्छामि. वैदेशिकोऽस्मि इति पृच्छामि. ओके. पुराणमित्येव न साधु सर्वं. पुराणम् इति एव न साधु सर्वम्. Often with kim, purpose or motive, as expressed by that, in order that. शरीरस्य विनाशो मा भूतिति मयेदमुक्षिप्य समानीतम्. Various shades of meaning. इति पाणिनिः इति आपिशलिः इति अमरः विश्वः. Identity, proximity, visibility, excess or superiority. इति स्वरूपे सान्निध्ये विवक्षा नियमे मते हेतौ प्रकार प्रत्यक्ष प्रकाशे व्यवधारणे एकमर्थे समाप्तौ च. इति स्वरूपे सान्निध्ये विवक्षा नियमे मते हेतौ प्रकार प्रत्यक्ष प्रकाशे व्यवधारणे एकमर्थे समाप्तौ च इति. ब्रह्मणा ब्रह्मन् विशेषण प्रायः नपुंसकलिङ्गम्. अत्र षष्ठी एकवचनं. ब्रह्मन् नॉइटर बृहमनिन् नकारस्य अकारे ऋतो रत्वम्. The supreme being regarded as impersonal and divested of all quality and action according to the Vedantis. Brahman is both the efficient and the material cause of the visible universe, the all-pervading soul and spirit of the universe, the essence from which all created things are produced and into which they are absorbed. अस्ति तावन् नित्य शुद्ध बुद्ध मुक्त स्वभावं सर्वज्ञं सर्वशक्ति समन्वितं ब्रह्म. यत् प्रयन्त्यभिसंविशन्ति तद्विजिज्ञासस्व तद्ब्रह्म इति. फ्रॉम तैत्तिरीय. समीभूता तुष्टिस् त्रिभुवन ब्रह्म मनुते. भर्तृहरि. दर्शनं तस्य लाभस्य त्वं वि ब्रह्ममयो निधिः. ब्रह्मणः प्रणवं कुर्यात् यद् ब्रह्म सम्यक् आम्नातम्. समस्तवत् अनोद्गीत ब्रह्मणे ब्रह्मणे नमः. एकाक्षरं परं ब्रह्म. त्रिविधः विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं. त्रिविध of three kinds, threefold. Nirdesha, Nirdesha, Pullingam Prathama Ekavachana. Nirdesha, pointing out, showing, indicating. Order, command, direction. Direction also is a good meaning. Advice, instruction. Telling, saying, declaring. Specifying, particularization. Specification, specific mention. अयुक्तोऽयं निर्देशः। ॐ तत्सत् इति निर्देशो ब्रह्मण से सेम श्लोका ही ascertainment, visibility, description, description. स्मृतः स्मृ धातोः तविशेषणं स्मृत अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं सेड् रिमेम्बर्ड् कोटेड् तेन पुरा ब्राह्मणाः वेदाः च यज्ञाः च विहिताः तेन तत्सर्वनाम अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गं तृतीया एकवचनं तेन the instrumental of tad is often used with adverbial force in the sense of therefore, on that account, in that case, for that reason, tena hi, if so, well then. Pura avyayam, pura indeclinable, in former times, formerly, of yore, in the olden time. Pura shakram upasthaya, pura sarasi manase yasyatam vaya. Before, hitherto, up to the present time, at first in the place. रामं दर्शयामि शीघ्रं पुरामेऽर्थो किवर्तते ब्राह्मणा ब्राह्मण विशेषण अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचन ब्राह्मण एडजेक्टिव ब्राह्मणी फेमिनिन ब्रह्म वेदं शुद्धं चैतन्यं वा वेत्ति अधीते वा अन् belonging to a brahmana befitting a brahmana given by a brahmana relating to religious worship, one who knows Brahma, Brahmana, a man belonging to the first of the four original castes of the Hindus. A Brahmana born from the mouth of the Purusha, Brahmanasya mukham asitu. Janmana Brahmano jneyah samskarai dvija uchyate. Vidyaya yati vipratvam tirvikshotriya uchyate. जात्याकुलेन वृत्तेन स्वाध्यायेन श्रुतेन च एभिर्युक्तो हि अस्तिष्ठेन नित्यं सद्विजय उच्यते. A priest, theologian, an epithet of Agni, name of the 28th nakshatra, okay, Brahmanam, an assemblage or society of Brahmas. And here, that portion of the Veda which states rules for the employment of the hymns at the various sacrifices. Their origin and detailed explanation with sometimes lengthy illustrations in the shape of legends or stories. It is distinct from the mantra portion of the Veda. Name of that class of the Vedic works which contain the Brahmana portion, regarded as Shruti, are part of the revelation like the hymns themselves. Each of the four Vedas has its own Brahmana or Brahmanas. Aitareya or Ashwalayana and Kaushitaki or Sankhayana belonging to the Rigveda, Shatapatha to the Yajurveda, Panchavimsha and Shadvimsha and six more to the Samaveda, and Gopatha to the Atharvaveda. Vedaha, Veda, Pullingam Prathama Bahuvachanam, Vedaha, with ach ghaiva, knowledge, sacred knowledge, holy learning, the scripture of the Hindus. Originally there were only three Vedas, Rig Veda, Yajur Veda and Samaveda, which are collectively called as Trayi, the sacred triad. But a fourth, the Atharva Veda, was subsequently added to them. Each of the Vedas had two distinct parts, the mantra or the Samhita and Brahmana. According to the strict orthodox faith of the Hindus, the Vedas are apaurushaya, not human compositions, being supposed to have been directly revealed by the Supreme Being, Brahman, and are called Shruti, that is, what is heard or revealed, as distinguished from Smriti, that is, what is remembered or is the work of human origin. See Shruti Smriti also. And the several sages to whom the hymns of the Vedas are ascribed are therefore called Drashtaraha, seers, and not Kartaraha or Srushtaraha, composers, not composers. Cha, Avyayam, and Yajnaha. Yajna, Pullingam, Prathama Bahochanam. Yajnaha, Yajabhave, no, a sacrifice, sacrificial rite, any offering or oblation. Yajnena yajnamajanta devaha, tasmad yajna sarvahutaha, yajnat bhavati varjanyo, yajna karma samudbha. An act of worship, any pious or devotional act. Every householder, but particularly a Brahmana, has to perform 5 such devotional acts every day. Their names are Bhuta Yajna, Manusha Yajna, Pitru Yajna, Deva Yajna, and Brahma Yajna, which are collectively called the 5 great sacrifices. See Mahayajna. And the 5 words separately. Vihitaha, Vihita, Visheshanam. अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम. विधा तथा विहि धातोः उक्त विशेषणम विहित. विहित past participle. Done, performed, made, acted, arranged, fixed, settled, appointed, determined, ordered, prescribed, decreed. Vihita vyangyena tesham. Framed, constructed, placed, deposited, furnished with, possessed of, fit to be done, distributed, apportioned. See dha with P. Tam, an order, a command, decree. Parato daiva vihitaya tam. Anvayartha, overall meaning. Om Tat Sat iti Brahmana Trivida Nirdesha Smrita. Om Tat Sat is the triple designation of the eternal. Tena pura Brahmanaha Vedaha cha Yajnaha cha Vihitaha. Vedic scriptures of old, their ritualistic ordains and the sacrifices were ordained by that triple designation. Chando Vishlesham. Om Tat Sat iti Nirdesho. Arshakshani. Ti nirde. Etesham matraha. Eka, dve, dve. Brahmanas trivida smritaha. Ashtakshani. Vidha spru. Etesham matraha. Eka, dve, eka. Brahmanas tena vedasya. Ashtakshani. Na veda. Etesham matraha. Eka, dve, dve. Yajnasya vihita pura. Ashtakshani. Hita pu. Etesham matraha. Eka, dve, eka. Asmin सप्तदशाध्याये त्रिविंशतितमे श्लोके अनुष्टुप छंदः स्वाध्याय notes of self-study. The statement of epilogue at the end of every chapter of Gita starts with this phrase Om Tat Sat iti. Since it repeats at the end of every chapter, one tends to overlook how Om Tat Sat denotes the Brahman, how these become the threefold designation of Brahman. 1. Om means Brahman, has been endorsed in Om ityekaksharam brahma vyaharan mamanusmaran ya prayatite jandeham sayati paramam gatim 8-13. Also, Om iti Brahma in Taittiriya Upanishad. Om iti Brahma. Om is Brahman. Taittiriya Upanishad 181. In Chandogya Upanishad, Tattvam Asi. Thou art that. This is from Chandogya Upanishad 6-8-7. But Aham Brahmasmi. I am Brahma. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad 1-4-10. In turn, Tat is Brahma. Aham Brahmasmi, Tattvam Asi. So Tat Brahma. And Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asi. Sadeva, Sat Eva, Somya, Idamagra Asi. This was existence alone in the beginning. O M.A. Bhagavan. This is from Chandogya 6-2-1. This has to be connected with another statement saying what was there in the beginning was Brahman only. Then it would become that Sat is Brahma. Actually, the word Sat brings to mind na asato vidyate bhavo na bhavo vidyate satah ubhayorapi drushtontastvanayos sattvadarshibhi. Gita 2-16. The unreal hath no being. There is no non-being of the real. The truth about both has been seen by the knowers of the truth or the seers of the essence. Here, Sat and Asat are interpreted as real and unreal, or truth and untruth, and are related to being and non-being. This relates to Brahma Satyam, Jagan Mithya, Jivo Brahmaiva Napara, Ananavedyam Sat Shastram iti Vedanta Nignima. This is from the commentary of Sri Shankaracharya on Brahma Sutrani. The phrase Brahma Satyam establishes that Satyam, that is Sat, is Brahma. Thus, in the scriptures, Brahman is indicated by the three words Om, Tat, Sat. This is considered to be the threefold designation of the Brahman. The second part of the shloka is Tena Pura Brahmanaha Vedaha cha Yajnaha cha Vihitaha. Deliberating on this came to mind that this statement is in passive voice. By changing the voice to active voice, it would be Tat Brahma Pura Brahmanan Vedancha Yajnancha Vihitavat. That Brahma ordained, set the norms in the days of yore, as mentioned in the Vedas, the Brahmanas, and the sacrifices. Actually, the word Vedas need not be taken as scriptures. Basically, they are repositories of knowledge. That is why there are also Dhanurvedaha, Ayurvedaha. Further, Brahmana are a part of the Veda, that part which deals with the ritualistic detail. Every machine comes with an operating and maintenance manual. Brahmana are O&M manuals of the Veda. The triad Brahmana, Vedaha, Yajna should rather be in the order Vedaha, Brahmana, Yajna, to be in line with the order Shastram, Vidhanam, Karma in Tasma Shastram Pramanante Karya Karya Vivasthito Jnatva Shastra Vidhanoktam Karma Kartumiharhasi. Therefore, let the scriptures be thy authority in determining what ought to be done, Karya, and what ought not to be done, Akarya. Having known what is said in the ordinance of the scriptures, thou should act here in this word. Note, scriptures, Vedaha, Shastram, their ordinance, Brahmanaha, Vidhanam, and acting accordingly, Yajnaha, Karma. Education has two aspects, learning and teaching. American educationist Mr. Herbert Casson summarized the process of learning by the acronym OTA, observation, thinking, action. But this has been so stated thousands of years ago in Gita. See, तद्विद्धि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया उपदेक्षन्ति ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः. Note, pranipataha, thorough intensive analysis, that is analytical observation, O, to understand the how and why of things. Vedaha, that is Shastram, rather Om. Pariprashna, circumspect questioning of the logic. Thinking, T, appreciating the ordinances. Brahmanaha, that is Vidhanam, rather Tat. Seva, putting the knowledge into service. Action, Yajna, that is Karma, rather Sat. In Patanjali Yoga Sutrani, there is a sutram, Pratyaksha Anumanagama Pramanani. Here also, the order may rather be Agamaha, that is Vedaha, Anumanam, deductive logic, thinking, Pratyaksham, practical verification. This is how Tasmat Shastram Pramanante, that is the Shastram, becomes Te Pramanam, your conviction, so that one becomes free of all dilemmas regarding Karya Akarya Vyavasthito, what ought to be done and what ought not to be done. So many triads with beautiful one-to-one correspondence among them. Vedaha, Brahmanaha, Yajnaha, Shastram, Vidhanam, Karma, Pranipataha, Pariprashnaha, Sevaya, Agamaha, Anumanam, Pratyaksham. Om Tat Sat is also a triad, but they all denote Brahmanas Trividha Nirdesha. Unless one may take it that Om denotes knowledge, Vedaha of Brahma or Brahmajnanam. Tat denotes Vidhanam of Brahma or Brahmopasanam, and Sat denotes Yajna aspect or Karma aspect of Brahma. As such, Brahma Yajna is well detailed in Brahmarpanam Brahmahavir Brahmagnav Brahmanahutam Brahmaiva Tena Gantavyam Brahmakarma Samadhina Gita 4-24. The mention of Brahma Karma in the above shloka, Brahma Karma Samadhina, is better detailed in Shamodamastapashaucham Kshantirajavamayoja Jnana Vijnanam Astikyam Brahma Karma Swabhavajam. The distinction between Brahma Yajna and Brahma Karma makes the triad Om Tat Sat distinct from the other triads. This Gita Abhyasa is study for learning Sanskrit and Gita together. As studying Sanskrit, the study details Padacheda, Vakyamshaya Visheshanam, Shabdabhyasa, Chando Visheshanam. As studying Gita, the study details Anvayartha, syntactical meaning, and Swadhyaya, that is notes of self-study, wherein deeper meaning, figures of speech, if any, other relevant quotes, including verses from other chapters, are taken note of by way of connecting the dots. This study is Swanta Sukhaya for self-contentment. Glad to share. The text can be read and downloaded from an updated blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubhamast.